Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be taking back the 1968 Shelby GT350. That car was in for just a quick cleanup, a little polish, getting the car looking a little better, just kind of cleaning the underneath of the car, just getting it ready for the owner. That car will also be a Barrett-Jackson alongside the 69 Boss 302 that I just did in the previous videos. When we drop the car off, I'll also be showing you our future project that we'll be working on. It's a big one, but it's a pretty cool one as well. I'm at Car Your Dreams Classic Car Sales in Jonestown, Pennsylvania, owned by Marty Finland. He'll be representing and selling this 68 GT350, a 65 continuation Cobra CSX 4768, the 69 Boss 302, and a beautiful 71 Chevy K10 at Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale. All of that leads me to this. We're looking at a 1969 Mustang Mach 1 with a 428 Super Cobra Jet engine, 4-speed transmission, and 430 rear gear. Originally painted lime gold metallic with a white interior, optioned with a traction lock differential, visibility group, F70 by 14 belted raised white leather tires, power front disc brakes, AM radio, tinted glass, and deluxe belts, warning light system. Originally sold at Schenkler Motors Incorporated in Hamburg, PA, which we just passed on the way here, means it's always been a local car, which is pretty cool. Although it's been totally disassembled for years, all the major parts are still with the car. And the original to the car, complete engine, transmission, and rear, the engine fan, shaker scoop, fuel pump, correct, original chrome steel wheels. And this is the original Super Cobra Jet engine with the Le Mans rods. The original heads, intake, carburetor, distributor, and exhaust manifolds are on the engine that's still in the car. I have no idea what engine that is, but I will find out. These are an extra set of 428 Cobra Jet heads that do not belong with the car. And this is the pair of original valve covers. However, they are in unrepairable conditions, so I'll have to look for new ones. Some more trim. See the interior rear panels. Original to the car, fairly good shape. This one needs a repair right in here. And that one over there is good shape, needing a good cleaning. This is the original door tag still on the car. It lays out all the options, including the 4-speed, 430 rear gear, and the car was built January 13th, 1969. The original buck tag is still in its proper location on the fender apron. And yes, the car was painted Barney purple one time as well. I'll be documenting the full restoration of the car on this channel over the next year.
Where are you headed?
East. That's a big 10-4!
Just got back to the shop. Just wondering what you think about that 69 Mach 1 Super Cobra Jet car. It's going to be a big project. Brought some of the parts back with me. I'm going to look over some stuff, see what I got to work with. A lot of the parts are there for the car, especially the big and expensive stuff. So should be a good project. Got a short window to get it done, but I'm looking forward to the challenge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, especially about the Cobra Jet car, and subscribe to the channel.
I know something you don't know. This is the new Mustang Sports Roof. Oh, you know it already. Well, I'll find something else then.
Here's something that's really something else. The all-new Mustang Mach 1 for 1969 with the pulsating functional hood scoop that takes in air and turns out instant acceleration. Mustang Mach 1, the wildest Mustang ever made. New from the rear deck spoiler to the dual headlights and blackout grille.
Now that's what I call a real nose job.
Mach 1 with an optional 428 Cobra Jet V8 that starts the hood scoop quivering to deliver extra power. Mustang Mach 1.
Mark it to me, mark it to me.
Get a Mustang and you'll drive the girls cuckoo.
Ford gives you better ideas.
See your Ford dealer for extra savings on a specially equipped Mustang during his pop option sale. It's on right now.